Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class we already discussed about the determinants theorem number 1. So here we'll discuss some other concepts. Singular matrix. Okay. When we can tell a matrix is singular matrix? Definition. A square matrix A, capital A, is said to be a singular matrix if det A is equals to 0. So if we calculate det value means it is equals to 0 means then we can tell that it is a singular matrix. Okay, let us take one example. So 1, 2, 4, 8. Let us take A is equals to 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, calculate det value. Calculate the det value. Det A is equals to 1 into 8 minus 4 into 2 8. 8 minus 8 is equals to what? 0. 8 minus 8 is equals to 0. Okay na? So then we can tell that this is a singular matrix. A is a singular matrix. Okay na? Next we will move to the next concept called non-singular matrix. Okay, a square matrix A, capital A is said to be a non-singular matrix if det A is not equals to 0. Okay, determinant value not equals to 0 ಆದರೆ then we can tell that is a determinant, that is a non-singular matrix. Singular means what? Det A is equals to 0. Non-singular means what? Det A is not equals to 0. Okay, let us consider one example. See, example. Okay, A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us take this example. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I calculated determinant value. Det A is equals to 1 into 4 minus 2 into 3 6 is equals to what is answer? Minus 2. 4 minus 6 is equals to minus 2. 4 minus 6 is equals to minus 2. Okay, like that I had to calculate the determinant value. Then determinant value is not equals to 0 no here. Nodi, 0 ida 0 ilva 0 illa. So minus 2 is not equals to 0. Minus 2 is not equals to 0. Then we can tell that this matrix A is called non-singular matrix. Understood or not? Non-singular ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ det A is not equals to 0. Singular means what? Det A is equals to 0. Keep it in your mind. Okay. So two concepts very important. Non-singular not equals to 0. ಆ ತರನ ಗೊತ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Blind relations. Okay. Tell me once again, what is a singular matrix? Yes, a square matrix A is said to be a singular matrix if det A is equals to 0. Non-singular, det A is not equals to 0. Det A is not equals to 0. Like that, we had to memorize. Okay, see, very important further. Okay, that's right. Okay, we'll see the next theorem. See, my dear students, theorem number 2. So in last video already told theorem number 1. Okay, so this is theorem number 2. Okay, there is no proof for this one, only statement is there in your syllabus. That's why learn only statement is very important. Okay, see what is the theory. See, if A and B are the non-singular matrices, of the same order, then AB and BA are also non-singular matrices. Okay, so what is the meaning of this one? Means have to consider the two non-singular matrices A and B and of the same order. So if you consider this is 2 by 2 and this is also 2 by 2. If you consider 3 by 3, this is 3 by 3 square matrices. Okay, under the same order, then AB and BA are also non-singular matrices. Okay, it's very useful in CET purpose and doing some problems. Okay, that's why A and B are non-singular. AB multiplication, its multiplication AB and its multiplication BA is also non-singular matrix of the same order. ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? non-singular. AB non-singular, AB BA also non-singular. Okay, my dear students. So we will move to the third theorem. So there is no proof for this one. There is no proof in your syllabus. Okay, second we use mathematics. So no need to do this one. We will move to the third theorem. See, we will move to the theorem number 3. So determinant of the product of matrices is equal to the product of their respective determinants. Product of their respective determinants. What is the meaning of this one? So let us consider the two matrices called A and B. Product of matrices is what? Multiplication of AB. Determinant of AB is equals to det A into det B. Their respective determinants. Understood? So det AB is equals to what? Det A into det B. Det CD is what? Det C into det D. Det C into det D. Understood or not? Like that you have to write. Okay, respective. So there is no proof for this is also. So theorem number 3 ke proof illa, but this is very important for the 1 mark question. Okay. So how they will ask me is I will tell. See. So they will like this. A 1 2 3 4. B 3 8 9 6 like this they will ask. A B they will give. Calculate det AB. Okay, calculate det AB. Okay, it is very difficult to multiplication. AB multiplication ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ det ಮಾಡೋದು. It is very difficult. Okay. So it is very difficult to calculate AB. ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So but difficult. So det AB calculate ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Det A into det B formula is there. Now calculate det value, multiply it. It is easy. Like that it is very useful. Okay. So like that we have to calculate. There is no proof for this is also. Okay. And we have example. Theorem number 4 is there. We will move to the theorem number 4. So this is that. Det AB is equals to what? Det A into det B. Okay, my dear students, keep it in your mind. See, my dear students, we will move to the theorem number 4. Theorem number 4. A square matrix A is invertible. If and only if A is non-singular matrix. A is non-singular matrix means what? Already told non-singular. Det A is not equals to 0. Det A is not equals to 0. Non-singular. So what is a square matrix? Is invertible. Square matrix is invertible means ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. Invertible means already told. AB is equals to BA is equals to I. AB is equals to BA is equals to I. So if you satisfy this condition means AB is equals to BA is equals to I. So if you don't know means telgoli. Aita invertible means you have to satisfy this condition. AB is equals to BA is equals to what? I. So therefore invertible antade na. So if it is invertible, have to prove that non-singular. And if and only if means what is the meaning of if and only? Ulta converse also you should prove. That's why I take in case 1. Okay. Case 1 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Case 1 ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. Consider let AB invertible matrix of order n. Square matrix is invertible ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ. So I consider A is a invertible matrix. Okay. And what to prove? It is a non-singular. Prove that A is non-singular. Non-singular ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. A is non-singular ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? That is det A is not equals to 0 ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We have to prove that det A is not equals to 0. Det A should not be 0 ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Non-singular. Okay. That's why how to do this one I will tell. See. What is a given condition? Given ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. You have to understand. Invertible matrix ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Invertible matrix means this condition satisfies. So there is. So if A matrix is there exists a B matrix. There exists a B matrix such that AB is equals to BA is equals to I. This is the invertible condition. Keep it in your mind, my dear friends. Okay, this is the invertible condition. Okay, so AB is equals to BA is equals to I. Let us consider this and this one. Okay, AB is equals to I. AB is equals to I. Okay, AB is equals to I means what? Determinant. Apply the determinant both sides. Let AB is equals to what? Det I. Let AB is equals to what? Det I. One property is there. Last theorem. According to the last theorem, det AB is equals to what? Det A into det B. No. Det A into det B is equals to what is the determinant of I? If we take identity matrix, 1 0 0 1. Okay na? ಈ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 into 1 1 minus 0. What is the determinant value? 1. If you take 3 by 3 also determinant value 1. 4 by 4, 5 by 4. Determinant value of identity matrix is always what? 1. Determinant of identity matrix is always 1. That's why det I is equals to what? 1. Okay. So determinant A, determinant B 1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಎರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. So if you are multiplying determinant value A, determinant value B is equals to 1 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is the meaning of this one? So det A, det B is not 0. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ det A value, det B value 0 ಆಗಲ್ಲ. 0 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು? ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಒಂದು 0 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು? 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So that's why det A is equals to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? It's not equals to 0. Understood or not? So therefore det A is not equals to 0. What is this condition? Here is condition. So this is a condition of non-singular matrix. Okay. So therefore A is a non-singular matrix. A is non-singular matrix. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್? non-singular matrix. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಈಗ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಏನಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? non-singular ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕೇಸ್ 1. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಬಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಿ ಅನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎ ಬಿ ಬಿ ಎ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಎ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಐ, determinant B, separating det A, det B equals to 1, det A is not equals to 0. Understood? We will move to the theorem case 2 go. Okay, case 1 ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ case 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ? A ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಬಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ A is ನಾನ್ ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್. ಇವಾಗ ಉಲ್ಟಾ A ನಾನ್ ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ, ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. See, my dear friends, we will move to the next case, case 2. Already told now, case 2 means what? Ulta. First you have to consider A B non-singular. Non-singular to consider. What is non-singular? That A is not equals to 0. Okay. We have to prove that A matrix is invertible. Invertible ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We have to prove that A is invertible. A invertible prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. What is the meaning? AB is equals to BA is equals to I ಅಂತ prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I identity matrix. Okay, that's why we have considered one property. Already theorem 1 already told in last video already told. Okay, you observe that. You know that A into adjoint A is equals to adjoint A into A is equals to det A into I. Okay, so this is a theorem already learned in last video. If you have any doubt, you can watch that also. Okay, A into adjoint A. Okay, so let us consider this one. So divided by det A. Divided by det A ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ det A ಅಂದರೆ A into 1 by det A into adjoint A is equals to 1 by det A into adjoint A into A is equals to det A divided by det A into I. Det A cancel. Okay. So, if you observe this one, if you consider this one, det A by adjoint A consider as B. Okay. So, A into B are B equal A B is equals to, this is also B into A is equals to I. I consider this one 1 by det A into adjoint A as B ಅಂತ consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So, A into B into A is equals to cancel ಆಗಿದೆ det A, it will be 0. It is equals to, what is the condition this one? Where B is equals to what? Where B is equals to 1 by det A into adjoint A. 1 by det A into adjoint A. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 1 by det A into adjoint A. Okay. So what is this condition? This condition is related to the invertible matrix condition. Invertible matrix condition ಇದು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So therefore AB equals to BA equals to I means therefore you can tell that A is invertible. A is invertible. Okay. A is invertible. A ಅನ್ನೋದು invertible ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So this is very very important question. Okay. ಇದನ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇದೆ, ಅದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. det of adjoint ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇದೆ. det of adjoint A is equals to det A to the power of n minus 1. Very very important. Note. Keep it in your mind. Okay. ಈ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವಾಗನ ಹೇಳೋಣ ಫ್ರೀ. ಓಕೆ, det of adjoint is equals to what? Det a to the power of n minus 1. Okay, they will give det a value. Okay, they ask the answer adjoint, det of adjoint is equals to det a to the power of n minus 1. Order where n is the order of the matrix. Where n is the order of the matrix. Order of the matrix ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Det of adjoint is equals to det a to the power of n minus 1. Okay, now this is very very important. Okay, these are the things, theorems. Okay, these theorems are very very important. We will move to the next video. We will move to the problems. Okay, these are some videos regarding singular and non-singular, and also first theorem already told in last video. Okay, my dear students, if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can comment in this below video. Okay, thank you.